We good? That trailer is in that mirror.
Head west on Triggerfish Road toward Pinfish Road, then turn left.
Yeah, I know. They're all about 50, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that one's not even registering yet. I'm not going to try to make that turn.
Head east on Triggerfish Road toward Crocodile Road, then turn right onto Crocodile Road. Turn right onto Crocodile Road, then turn right onto Core Road.
You missed it.
In 800 feet, turn right.
Miss Google is very confused.
That will be the first time.
It doesn't take much.
No, it doesn't take much. She's usually here in the morning. Maybe not.
Yep, that's right.
Okay.
I keep thinking that's a speed bump right there.
I know, it looks like it, doesn't it?
Thank you. I keep thinking that yellow line's a speed bump now.
You know what? There are times I do. It's like, oh, dummy.
Yeah.
So see, you're not the only one.
I know. Well, we'll be up here for Thanksgiving, so we'll see you then.
All right.
Yeah.
What are you doing for Thanksgiving?
Who
Don't know yet.
knows? Who knows?
We're gonna play it by
usually
ear
play
right now.
that one by ear.
All right. When you come back, let me know I talked to you about Thanksgiving.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, my sister's making a big dinner. She's having people over, and I'm going to invite you.
Oh, that'd be fantastic.
Well,
That'd be
thank
great.
you. We'll talk to you then.
All right.
Have a good one.
You too.
I love the RV community.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Turning up the stereo in a place I didn't know till now. In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down. No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go, just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back, keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down follow the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. We won't regret this. Let's kiss the past goodbye. I'm longing to live this free life I've been hearing about. You will see us howling like wolves in the night. 'Cause nothing is stronger than wanting what you might get. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Ain't no worries, ain't no worries. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you? Oh, 'cause as long as we're together, home can be a million different things. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Ain't nothing but a one way. We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were